Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all. This is me, Shraddha Mahapatra, an 11th grader from APJ School, Saket, who is here to speak on National Youth Day on the topic Youth, the Future of Bharat. India today stands at a very defining moment. We often speak about the future of India as if it lies far ahead. But in reality, the future is here, right present in the youth of the nation. With the largest youth population in the world, India's future is not just written in policies or promises, but it is shaped by the compassion that guides and the determination that drives its youth. As Swami Vivekananda rightfully quoted, youth is the future of the nation. The real question, however, is how is this future being shaped? To understand this, consider a very simple story. In a village, there once stood a tree in the middle of the road, healthy, well rooted, and a big support system for the villagers. As the village expanded, the tree became an inconvenience and a hurdle to the progress. The villagers did not cut it down, they did not set it on fire. But every day, harsh words were thrown at it. You don't belong here, you're in the way. Slowly, though no axe touched its trunk, the tree began to die. It began to wither, not from thirst but from cruelty. And that tree symbolizes the youth of India, rooted in tradition, rich in potential, yet often labeled too sensitive, too inexperienced, or not ready. Words, expectations, and neglect can often weaken young minds more than any visible obstacle, but here lies the truth. When nurtured with encouragement and spoken to with respect, youth grow into one of the strongest pillars of the society. Just as one kind word could have saved that tree that day, one act of faith can empower young mind into changing a nation as big as India, because youth are not just the dreamers, they are the doers. In the present time, India stands at a very big moment where young people are leading movements in education, climate action, and social justice. This spirit of service is not charity, it is nation building. Swami Vivekananda reminded the world with powerful conviction, all power is within you. You can do everything and anything. Faith in oneself is the spark behind every achievement, whether it is a student who is gearing up to crack the national examinations or a young innovator who is trying to create solutions for rural healthcare. The fire within the youth is enough to ignite the flame of future of India. Challenges such as poverty, discrimination, inequality, and societal pressure are real. Yes, but determination is the bridge between dreams and reality. When youth persevere, India rises. In a sense, the story of the tree teaches us a very timeless lesson. Words can destroy, but they can also empower. Just as a pen is mightier than a sword, our words can either crush or build the future of India. If India chooses to nurture its youth with trust, encouragement, and opportunity, the nation will not merely survive, it will thrive. The future of India is not tomorrow, it begins today, right here in the classrooms, villages, cities, and in every young heart that dares to believe. So let us rise with service, faith, and determination. Let us be the generation that does not become a hurdle to the progress, but the one that actually shapes the future of India, rooted in values, reaching for the skies. Because when youth grows strong, India does not just grow, it leads. This reminds me of a very important motto my school has. That is, Tu shahi hai parwah hai kaam tera, tere aage aasma aur bhi hai. You are a falcon, soaring high is your nature. There are skies yet for you to conquer. I said this quote because this quote fits perfectly to the event today. We have the National Youth Day. With this, I end my speech. Thank you for being a patient audience.